Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So this week I've been trying to use up layered florals in all of my planners. Okay, this is the thing that you're going to get with my Plan With Me videos. You're going to get all the bloopers and things in one shot. I'm not going to edit that out. But I'm going to be using layered florals, and the one I wanted to actually use all of these, and I'll be using jewel tone boxes to go with it. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I am actually really loving using the vertical for my everyday. I'm finding it really, really fun to use. And it's been a while since I've been able to really have, I say fun, with my spreads. Now I kind of want to use this, but I kind of don't want to, but I will be using these. And I think I'm going to combine it with, do I want purple? Not those greens, not those. Not those, but I think I will combine it with the pinks. So let's move these over. Okay, so Monday is actually a holiday here in Canada. So I will be still meal planning. I will still be meal planning and what am I doing? Meal planning. Oh my gosh. Meal planning and ordering groceries. So I will put that here. Wait a sec. Wait. No, that's fine. So I'll put that here. And then I think what I also want to do is put one of these, because I think I'd like to be able for all of us to go for a walk. So now Tuesday, there isn't normally a lot that happens on the Tuesday. So, I mean, I could always put a box down, but there won't be a lot happening. There is this, but I don't want to put any of those down unless I really absolutely have to. I'm going to go with putting down this to do. Although, do I just want to put boxes down? I think I'm going to... I'm going to put a couple of these down, just in case. Okay. Then, that's not straight. It's hard to see whether or not it's straight. There we go. Then I'll put a darker pink for Wednesday and a bigger box as well. Maybe this, because there are a few things that need to get done on that day. And yes, it is going over the hole for the disc, but I actually don't mind because I can easily punch that. Okay, so that is the first part of the week. And if you noticed, I have just stayed with the different shades of the pink, the jewel tones. Thursday, not much going on the Thursday. Yeah, really not much going on the Thursday. On the Friday, well, okay, let's do this. So Thursday we could do, actually yes, Thursday I will get the groceries ordered. So let's use this. We'll order the groceries that day. Then Friday is when Lucy's grooming is now going to happen. Saturday are my usual tasks for the day. So put that here. And then I don't have any more of those big boxes. So I'm going to use a couple of these. I'm going to use this. And I'm going to put it right on the edge of the page with this. Because I know there are a couple of things. Oh, no, that's the same color. I wanted a different color. I'm going to have the darker one. Okay. Put it right up against the edge of the page. Okay, so that is for like the functional stuff on the spread. So I'm gonna leave that there for now. Then I'm gonna go in and grab the leaves and start decorating with the leaves. I do want one big one, say one big one right here. And then put another one up there. And making sure that if this does curl over, whoops, love it. Then same thing here, I'll probably put a big one down in this corner. Ooh, pull up. Now I feel like I need to add another color. But what color would that be? Do I need to go back to... Where's my washi? Where is my trusted washi? Holy crap, where is it? Guys, I think I lost that washi. No! I have no idea where it is. You know what? It's probably hidden under... Ah, there it is. Slight panic. Ignore me. I'm having a minor panic attack. This is why I think Plan With Me's are great to get ideas for how to decorate your spread, but I think they're also a great glimpse into the lives of us different planners, because we all have different styles. Some are very serene and calm when they're planning, and then you get others who are like a disorganized mess. Ooh, I enjoy that. Like that. Then let's do this. There is something about this washi that I just enjoy. It kind of helps to mellow out the spread, I think. That might be me. Okay. Whoops. So let's do this. I'm trying to find ways to add all of the leaves in here without overwhelming it. And also I feel like I want to be able to keep some space for things. Who's texting me? Okay. That would be my mother. So I'm going to add one more piece of washi, and then I'm going to try and find some quotes. Ooh, one more piece of washi. Right here. Then I'm going to find some quotes. Now, in terms of finding quotes, are there quotes in here? Are there quotes in here? I've used this book. Ooh. Yay. That, no. Happy plans. That might actually work. So let's see what's in here. How did I miss all of this? I totally missed all of this. Oops. I do like the happy days are here. I like the happy. I like the look on the bright side. Happy plans. Wow, I totally missed all of these quotes. Okay, so I'm going to put this look on the bright side here. And then I'm going to put this happy days are here. That pink doesn't match. So I'm going to dig into pressed florals again to see what I can find. I wish I had, I want to put like a circle quote or something in that corner. You know when you have like a particular quote in mind, but you never know where to find it? That is me. That is my life. Okay. let's see what I can find in terms of pink here. Always wonder. Time to shine. I like that. Oops. Where can I put this? Look on the bright side. The thing is, that's the thing. I want the quote to be a specific shape, and if it's not a specific shape, ooh, sorry. If it's not a specific shape, then I don't think it's gonna work. After searching for through a couple of sticker books, I came into the Joann's Mega Sticker Book, and I just found this Wild at Heart. It's pink. It's all I want is just that there. I don't know what it was, but I just needed a circle. Just wanted a circle. All it was. And then, you know, sometimes you're searching for a specific sticker, and I think that's the trouble that I have, is that when I stick to one or two sticker books, there is another sticker book that is calling my name in terms of what's out there. So, all right. I think that I'm gonna leave it at that. It feels plain, but once I start writing in it, I think it will all come together. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.